Hello and welcome back to the Cellcura podcast, where we unearth the creepy, the curious, and the downright terrifying in the world of plants. I'm your host, Daniel, and today we're delving into the realm of the undead. Botanical style. Let's get into it. Brace yourselves for the tale of the Rose of Jericho, a plant so resilient it's like it's come straight out of a horror movie.
Mommy, where are you? I'm scared.
Now don't worry, it won't chase you around the house, but it will definitely give you a fright when you see it rise from the dead. The Rose of Jericho, also known as the resurrection plant. It is a botanical anomaly. It is like a plant zombie. Capable of drying up and shriveling into a lifeless husk, only to spring back to life when it is exposed to water. It's a plant that defies death, a living testament to the enduring power of nature. Imagine stumbling upon a dried up brown ball of twigs in the desert. You'd probably think it was just a pile of trash, right? But then you pour a little water on it and watch in horror as it slowly unfurls its branches and turns into a vibrant green. It's like watching a zombie movie, but with plants instead of humans. Now, the Rose of Jericho isn't exactly a zombie in the traditional sense. It doesn't have brains or crave human flesh, but its ability to come back from the brink of death is certainly eerie, and it's a testament to the incredible adaptability of plants. So, the next time you see a dried up Rose of Jericho, remember, it's not just a plant, it is a botanical zombie.
Let me out of here! Let me out! Let me out, please!
Waiting for its chance to rise from the dead and terrify you with its unnatural resilience. But let's not forget, the Rose of Jericho isn't just a spooky story. It's also a fascinating example of plant adaptation. How does it manage to survive for years without water? Well, it's a bit like a plant-sized hibernation. When the plant dries out, it curls up into a tight ball and goes into a state of dormancy. Its cells shut down and it basically stops all its life processes. It's like a plant-sized time capsule, waiting for the right conditions to come back to life. And when it does, it's like a miracle. The plant rehydrates, its cells spring back to life, and it starts growing again. It is like a botanical phoenix, rising from the ashes. So the next time you see a Rose of Jericho, remember, it's not just a spooky plant, it's also a marvel of nature, a testament to the incredible resilience and adaptability of life. And now, for a little fun, let's imagine what it would be like if the Rose of Jericho was actually a real zombie plant. Picture a world where plants could rise from the dead and roam the earth, terrorizing unsuspecting humans. It's like a botanical horror movie waiting to happen. Imagine walking through a forest only to be confronted by a horde of undead plants. There are branches reaching out like skeletal fingers. Or picture a garden where the flowers are actually carnivores, their petals opening wide to devour any unsuspecting insects that come too close. Thankfully, this is just a fun thought experiment. The Rose of Jericho is a harmless plant that's more interested in its survival than world domination, but it's still a fascinating creature that's worth appreciating for its unique abilities. And that's it for today. Thank you for tuning in to the Selkura podcast. Remember, the next time you see a Rose of Jericho, do not be afraid. Just marvel at its incredible resilience and its ability to defy death. Thank you for listening.